To install the Doona without the base, start by folding the wheels completely into the car seat until they lock. Place the Doona on the vehicle seat so it faces the back of the car. Your child should always ride rear-facing in this seat. Rotate the handle into the anti-rebound position until it clicks and locks. Pull out the vehicle seatbelt and make sure it is not twisted. Route only the lap portion of the seatbelt through the lap belt guides on both sides of the seat and buckle it. Adjust the Doona until the red level line on the side is parallel to the ground. Route the shoulder belt behind the seat through the blue belt guide. Pull the shoulder belt all the way out, then let it feed back in until you hear clicking. Gently pull on the belt to confirm it's locked. Grab the Doona near the belt path and gently push side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. Always check your car seat and vehicle manuals for proper installation. If you have questions, consult a certified child passenger safety technician.